Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, Spotting Fire, the Weather Pros. We're going to discuss this wet week, but it's got a silver lining. We're going to show you what the Memorial Day, we'll tell you what the Memorial Day outlook is going to look like, and you actually are probably very happy to hear what the Memorial Day outlook will look like. So let's jump into today's weather. Basically, today we are going to see a bunch of clouds here in the morning, but what's going to happen is we're going to see temperatures raise to about 72. Showers will start to increase during the afternoon, and it will just go downhill from there over the next, unfortunately, 5 days. We're looking at rain, 3 to 5 inches, maybe a little more, 6 or 7 inches even possible over the next 5 days. That could be a flooding concern, and we need you to make sure you have a way to get warnings for that purpose. Turn around, don't drown. So the next 5 shows basically what I've told you, 72 degrees today. It gets chillier by the Tuesday, 64, 55 on Wednesday, 54 Thursday, 62 Friday. Rain will let up by Friday. Now, when we head into Memorial Day weekend, we're looking at Saturday, Sunday, sunshine around 80. Monday, sunshine, 85. So the Memorial Day, we're going to sacrifice this week for a great Memorial Day weekend, is what it looks like at this point. But remember, turn around, don't drown. Let's be careful of what we do. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.